Welcome to Belong, the world's largest social and professional network for managing and navigating cancer treatment. Free and anonymous, for cancer patients and caregivers. We will show you an easy way to navigate the app and get acquainted with its abundance of features and options. The main menu. Your name and profile appear here. Clicking on the image allows access to your personal profile. Professional groups are managed by doctors and other specialists. The word professional appears in purple. Upon entering the group, you will see the group manager and his professional bio. Community groups according to the type of cancer or another topic, for assistance, tips, and support. The word community appears in green. By clicking on the selected group, you will enter the discussions. You can start a new discussion, or introduce a new topic by clicking here, or participate in an ongoing discussion by clicking on the post. Swiping to the left allows you to mute messages, pin the group, or leave the group. You will find some tools to help you better manage the disease. The Treatment Tasks Manager. You can create tasks such as medical appointments, tests, and procedures. Receive relevant tips, reminders, additional information, etc. You can also share with family members. The Inbox. Here you will find posts and chats you have participated in, questions you have asked, posts you are following by having used the follow option, and personalized content the automatic system has selected for you. Files. Digital documents. File all your medical documents in one place by attaching the forms from your mobile phone, or photocopying it. Do not forget to delete your personal information. My Feed. Custom discussions based on your user profile. For the best customization, it is necessary to update your information on your profile page. The plus button will allow you to perform additional tasks. Create a private group and invite other users or family members to join. Join a closed communities by entering a code, if you have received an access code, from your medical center. Settings. Additional tools for better experience while using the app, such as adjusting alerts, changing the language, and more. Magnifying glass. Quick search by typing a search word, finding posts, chats, and communities. We are here, at the technical support group to answer your questions and ensure effective and easy use of the app. Be well, live long. Belong.